Hi, so today I'm going to be going over the origin and insertion of the muscles of the scapula and the humerus. So first starting off here with the anterior side of the scapula on number 22, we're going to have the insertion of the serratus anterior. On number 4, we're going to have the origin of the subscapularis. On number 11, we're going to have the insertion of the trapezius. 17 is the origin of the coracobrachialis. 8 is the origin of the short head of the biceps brachii, and 18 is going to be the insertion of the pectoralis minor. Okay, so then moving on to the posterior side of the scapula, we're going to have on number 23 the origin of the deltoid, and on number 21 we're going to have the origin of the supraspinatus. And number 1 is going to be the origin of the infraspinatus. 15 is the insertion of the rhomboid minor, and 16 is the insertion of the rhomboid major. Kind of same thing over here, except the origin, so it's going to be the teres major here on number 2, the origin for that, and then on number 3 it's going to be the origin of the teres minor. And then for number 10 we're going to have the origin of the triceps long head. So then on the anterior side of the humerus here, we're going to have the insertion of the subscapularis, and then 7 here is going to be the insertion of the pectoralis major, 8 is the insertion of the latissimus dorsi, and 9 is the insertion of the teres major. Then on number 6, we're going to have the insertion for the deltoid. On number 14, that's the origin for the brachialis. 22 is the origin for the brachioradialis. 19 is the origin for the extensor carpi radialis longus. And 18, I believe that's an 18. Is going to be the extensor or common extensor tendon over on that side. And then 23 is going to be the origin for the pronator teres, and 21 is going to be the origin for the common flexor tendon. So then on the posterior side of the humerus, we have the ulna here. Number 3 is going to be the insertion for the teres minor. Then we have 11 is going to be the origin of the lateral head of the triceps. 13 is going to be the insertion for the coracobrachialis, and 12 is going to be the origin for the medial head of the tricep.